Welcome to this video tutorial on full dentures with inLab Software 20, bonding process for individual teeth. In this video, you will learn how to correctly bond the digitally manufactured individual teeth onto the denture base and how to polymerize it. Once the milling process has been completed, remove the denture base from the disc using a carbide burr. Carefully remove the sprues and then blow all the shavings off with compressed air. Remove the sprues from the milled individual teeth. Use a thin separating disc to enhance the embrasures and connectors. Check the fit of the teeth into the pockets and remove undercuts that may have not been sufficiently milled out. Mix Lucitone HIPAA per the instruction for use ratio of 11 grams of powder to 8 milliliters of liquid. Pour the powder into the liquid and mix for a minimum of 15 seconds. Fill pockets with the HIPAA acrylic and push the teeth into the pockets to extrude any excess acrylic. Repeat the process for the remaining teeth. Make sure that the pouring time of 3 minutes is not exceeded. Press the teeth into the pockets to be sure of an exact fit. Use a clean brush soaked with Lucitone HIPAA liquid to remove any excess acrylic. This process should be done swiftly. Polymerize the denture in a pressure pot at 3 bar of pressure and 45 degrees Celsius for at least 30 minutes.